Hello YouTubers, today we're going to the Belanger Kondor KL2 car wash at Mustang car wash in Madisonville, Texas, so let's unplug the Tesla now. And also, we're on our way back home from Houston, y'all. We took 2 Teslas down to Houston.
Yes, we did.
Yep. And 1 Tesla's already back home, but now we're taking this back home.
The traffic in Houston is always tough.
Yep.
Do I take a left or right out of here?
We're gonna take a left out of here.
Okay. And the Buc-ee's here was packed.
Yeah.
I mean, it's always busy, but it was extra busy.
Correct.
Okay, which way here?
Okay, we're gonna go straight to this light.
Okay.
And the left is where that white car is.
In 500 feet, turn left.
I think there's already somebody using the car wash. The automatic.
Okay.
Now turn left.
And the road is also blocked there. Because what's straight ahead, Dad?
Phones, because they knew
that I'm coming.
The entrance is over here.
Yep.
Okay.
We're at Mustang Car Wash in Madisonville, Texas.
Now your destination is on the left.
We'll just hang out here and be next.
Yep.
Please add payment for your selection. You have purchased the Works Wash. You may enter the wash if it is ready.
And there's the Unitech Wash Select Pay Station.
And that's the one.
Yep.
$14 for the premium.
Correct.
Windows are up.
Yep.
Okay. So it's right there.
Yep.
Okay.
And today we're in the Model 3, even though we rarely take the Model 3, since we
Right.
normally wash the Model S.
Do the mirrors got to go in, or are they okay?
I think they're okay, but like we do on the S, we can just do this, fold the mirrors.
Okay. Perfect. Just to be safe, right?
Correct.
Okay, here we go. What's it doing now?
Okay, another pre-soak.
Okay. 2 of them?
Yep.
Okay. Then we'll move on to some tri-foam.
Then we'll do the high pressure rinse.
Okay.
High pressure rinse already starting off with the right side first.
Yeah, I noticed that. So it'll come around and pick up the other side on the way up,
Yep.
the way back.
Correct. Okay, we're on triple foam.
Okay, here we go.
And the LED lights are on.
Yes. Are those just for Christmas, or is that just part of the car wash all the time, you think?
Part of the car wash.
Okay.
This one has black arms. Wait, start off with my side again.
Yeah. Is that normal?
Other systems, they would normally start off with the left side when it does the high pressure rinse on those other Belanger touch-free systems.
Okay. So is this a newer or older system?
This is a newer two-arm system for Belangers.
Okay. So now they're going to come around to the driver's side.
Yep.
And why won't they do both at once, do you think?
I think it's actually too much pressure to do both.
Okay.
Okay, we're on clear coat.
Perfect. And then because we got the best wash, we'll get that surface protectant.
Yep.
Right now. And then a spot-free rinse will take care of all this.
Yep.
Hopefully they have a timer for the dryer. I've yet to see one. I always mark down when they don't.
It looks like they probably don't have a timer, and we're on spot free.
You know, when you don't have a timer, the customer doesn't know how long they have.
Correct.
Now for us, we're going to get back on the interstate, and we'll dry off pretty quick at a steady freeway speed, but for someone locally, see, there's no warning.
Correct.
Well, the windshield needed it from the outside, that's for sure.
Correct. That was very dirty.
We got to remember to tell your brother to put some windshield wiper fluid in his vehicle.
Yeah.
That was a fast mirror. I don't like that. I marked down for that.
Yeah. Alright, there goes some manual bays and some vacuums right there.
Yeah.
Anyways, thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and bye, YouTubers. This was a Belanger Kondor KL2 car wash at the Mustang car wash in Madisonville, Texas. Bye.